Hello, it's Chris from Coupland's Caravans at Worksop. Just arrived with us here today, 2021 Buccaneer Commodore. This is a twin axle 4-berth caravan with the centre washroom and the rear island bed. Comes with EMP levelling system fitted, has a power touch all-wheel drive automatic mover. Clean as a whistle on the outside, as you can see. Comes with AL-KO ATC. It has an exterior barbecue point also. And going inside, fully fitted kitchen with a separate oven and grill, 3 gas rings, 1 electric, huge living area in the front that turns into a double bed, of course. On the right there you see it has the large Dometic fridge and a integrated microwave. Centre washroom with the shower on the right and the washroom on the left as you go through. The nice heated towel rail in there as well. And the large island bed at the back that does extend with the wardrobe either side and the overhanging lockers. So this caravan will be going on sale for $28,995. Please give us a call on 01909 275 47 01909 475 220. Thank you.